Here, we will share with you various ways to send files from Apple to Android. Way 1. Transfer files from iPhone to Android with Transfer for Mobile. Mobic and Transfer for Mobile can easily transfer all your iPhone's data, including photos, videos, music, contacts, messages, etc., to Android with one click. The software is compatible with all your Android and iOS devices. Install and run Transfer for Mobile and connect phones to computer. Select the data types you want to transfer and click the Start Copy button to start the data transfer. Then, just wait for the process to finish. Way 2. Send files from iPhone to Android with Google Drive. Google Drive offers 15 gigabytes of free storage per user, allowing you to back up your files to the cloud. This capacity should be enough to allow you to share files from your iPhone to your Android device. Way 4. Transfer files from iPhone to Android through ShareIt. ShareIt is a professional data transfer application that can share files of any size, such as movies, videos, music, wallpapers, GIFs, and the like, from Android to iPhone and vice versa. Way 5. Share data from iPhone to Android via email. Finally, if you just want to transfer small files from iPhone to Android, then you can just email them. The process is as simple as sending a normal email.